Are you worried AI will strip the soul from your wellness business? Think again. What if I told you that technology used the right way could actually make your client relationships more human, not less? That it could help you serve deeper, scale smarter, and free you from burnout? Stick with me because today I'm going to show you how AI can become your greatest ally in building a thriving, purpose-driven wellness brand. Human touch is crucial in an AI world, and you've probably heard the fear out there that AI is going to replace us. But here's the truth. AI is not here to replace connection. It's here to remove the clutter, the repetitive tasks, and the overwhelm that gets in the way of you showing up fully for your clients. Your clients aren't just looking for information anymore. They expect a personalized, efficient, and deeply human experience. They want to feel seen. And AI, when used with intention, allows you to do that at scale. Right now is the moment to lean in, not in 5 years, not after everyone else figures it out, now, because those who embrace AI now will have the competitive advantage tomorrow. This is huge. AI can be your greatest partner. Think of AI as your right hand, the wingman that makes you look good and keeps you focused on what matters. Imagine your client scheduling, intake forms, and reminders all handled automatically. How nice is that? Imagine personalized content being delivered to your clients without you lifting a finger, while still sounding 100% like you. And imagine instant insights into where your clients are thriving and where they need extra support. This is so big. We've seen it firsthand. Wellness coaches using AI to tailor their programs, fitness trainers tracking progress with AI dashboards, holistic practitioners delivering client notes instantly after a session. This is not replacing humans, it's amplifying humans. So let's talk about crafting your AI-powered wellness blueprint. How do you make it work for your business without feeling overwhelmed? First off, it's important to choose the right tools. Look for AI platforms that focus on personalization, habit tracking, and community building. Second, integrate it seamlessly. Don't try to change your whole business overnight. Start with one process you want to simplify, maybe onboarding new clients or sending follow-up messages, and build from there. This is important. And third, keep it ethical. Protect your client's privacy. Be transparent about when and how you're using AI. And always keep the human element at the center of the experience. So when you bring AI into your wellness business with intention, you future-proof yourself because markets shift, client expectations evolve, but with the right systems in place, you can adapt quickly without losing the heart of your brand. You can scale your impact, reaching more people, serving them at a higher level, and never compromising on personalization or quality. And you can measure success, track how much time you've saved, how many clients you're helping, and the financial growth you've achieved. That's the power of AI with a soulful strategy. This is the soulful future of wellness, and it's happening right now in real time. So here's the thing. Your clients still need you, your empathy, your intuition, your guidance. AI is just the bridge that helps you spend more time in that zone. The future of wellness is not tech replacing heart. It's tech supporting heart. It's about creating communities where technology handles the busy work and humans handle the connection. This is so important. More time spent doing the right things. So start small, test, tweak, try new things, and watch how your business and your clients' lives transform. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'm sharing more tools, strategies, and real-life examples to help you blend soulful service with smart systems. And if you're ready to take the next step, join us inside the Purpose to Profit program. We'll walk you through our Soul Sync success system, and we'll introduce you to our AI-powered business tools and help you create a business that's aligned, automated, and thriving. AI isn't here to take away the soul of your business. It's here to help it shine brighter than ever. So thank you for being a part of our community, and until next time, take care.